Hi, this is Shi from Building Point Scandinavia. Today I'm going to talk about Trimble Connect Sync. Normally in a project, many parties participate in the project, and all the parties use the common data environment as a coordination platform. One of the BIM coordinator's tasks is to upload the updated models to the project hotel weekly, download the updated models from other parties, and update the coordination model. Depending on the project size, this process can take a few minutes or hours, and we try to make this process automated, so we can use this time for creative work that cannot be replaced by a machine. Today, I will show you how to use Trimble Connect Sync to update the CDE, download the models from the CDE, and update the coordination model. Trimble Connect Sync is an application that keeps your files synchronized with multiple projects on Trimble Connect. You can select individual folders, synchronize to and from Trimble Connect, and choose which direction the files should synchronize. A sync schedule is a given time when you want Trimble Connect Sync to start the sync operation. For example, if you have engineers submitting their models at the end of each week, you may want to schedule a sync operation over the weekend so the project files are up to date on Monday morning. We can download Trimble Connect Sync from here. Okay, my tasks here are uploading the updated models that I receive from my engineers weekly to this folder, IFC Model A. At the same time, I want to download the new models delivered by company B from this folder, IFC Model B. And I create a view in Trimble Connect with these two models as a coordination model, and want this view to be updated automatically. Open Trimble Connect Sync. Navigate to the project you want to create a sync schedule. Click the Advanced button on the right of the project. Click Add Sync Schedule. A new schedule will be added. Click Edit. Edit the name of the schedule. For example, Weekly Model Delivery. Choose the sync direction. Here I will choose Upload Only. Customize when the sync operation should take place. For example, Sunday night, 7 o'clock sounds perfect for me. Choose the local folder location that you want to use for sync operations. Click Change Server Path. Navigate to the project folder you want to have your local folder synchronized to. Click Set Sync Route and click Done. And I want to have one more schedule so I can download the new models from company B. Click Add Sync Schedule. Write the name, Weekly Models Delivery from B. Choose the direction, Download Only. Choose the time. I want to do it also on Sunday night, 7 o'clock. And choose the sync location. And remember to keep your PC on and sync signed in. Monday, I can see my models are updated in the project hotel, and newly updated models from company B are also downloaded to my local PC. And my coordination model is updated automatically since view is dynamic. And I can get an overview of the activities from here. And thank you for watching. Hope you find it useful.